Have you ever wondered what are the 5 death traps of affiliate marketing? Do you often wonder how to save yourself from 5 death traps of affiliate marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of resellers programs? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about the 5 death traps of affiliate marketing. Now let's get into it. For some reason, affiliate marketing seems to be gaining in popularity, even though there are so many fatal flaws with the overall design. Sure, it may sound great on paper or on a web page somewhere. Get in on a good product and start sending a boatload of prospects over to a landing page somewhere and hope they buy the product so you can earn a commission. So, where's the problem? There are actually 5 that I see right off the bat. All affiliate programs are hideously inflexible. The terms are so rigid, you get their product, branded however they set it up, under the seller's pricing scheme using their marketing materials and are subject to their sales page. Your income is a fixed commission percentage set up at the whim of the seller. You have no control over customer service, the download, that payment, nothing. And you'll have to compete with thousands of other marketers using the same keywords and who make the same commission as you? Honestly, you'll be lucky if you get your customer's name on their way out your front door to visit the seller's landing page. Is that smart marketing? No. They are not as profitable as you might think. Without the ability to control your own pricing, you are at the mercy of someone else's whims. Once that customer is passed off from you, the affiliate, to the seller, you lose control over the customer's experience. If they wind up buying, then great, you get a percentage. But if they return the product, you're going to get dinged. And think of this, you're competing with hundreds, possibly thousands of other affiliates who are selling the same product, at the same price. If only you could offer a sale price and control your own pricing. Good luck. It doesn't exist with an affiliate program. Affiliate programs offer you little marketing control. As an affiliate, your job is to do one thing: drive the prospect to the sales page and hope the marketing message is good enough. What if it isn't? You can't change the sales page. You could be an incredible affiliate and send 60% of your visitors to the sales page and have your commission stink because the sales page stinks. What do? Drop the seller and move your marketing efforts elsewhere. What if the product is great? But that's not all. You can't control in affiliate programs. But it's the customers that suffer because they're the ones who are being inconvenienced and marketed to every step along the way. And you know how much customers loathe being marketed to overtly. That brings me to the final point. These programs sacrifice customer service, and you lose the option to wow the customer and make them a repeat buyer. When marketing is done correctly, and you combine it with customer service that's above and beyond, the customer becomes a customer for a very long time, and will give you repeat business. As a marketer, this is money in the bank, so to speak. The inherent flaw in affiliate marketing is you can't do that as an affiliate. The only person who can really wow the customer is the seller with their service. And repeat sales are theirs, not yours as the affiliate. Do you really want to lose that opportunity? The reason a lot of marketers are drawn to affiliate programs in the first place is that they offer a product. Marketers don't come up with a product, they come up with marketing campaigns to sell a product. And affiliate programs fill that need by offloading a lot for the marketer, at a cost. And the cost is actually very great when you consider the control you give up in exchange for the product being packaged in a nice virtual bow using someone else's wrapping paper. Look, there is a better, more profitable way to make money online. Reseller programs are actually much more profitable than affiliate programs, and they actually address affiliate programs' shortcomings. With a good reseller program, the terms are incredibly flexible, as you buy a license to resell material. The license typically allows you to set your own price, and more tightly control the product and marketing around it. The ability to control your own price means you control your own profit margin as well. That said, you become the main point of contact for your customers. You talk right to them, directly. You collect their information, you market to them, and you sell to them. You own the customer experience. The whole customer experience. Detractors of reseller programs will say that affiliate marketing is easier. Yes, it may be easier. But it's at a cost. You pay dearly for the convenience of not having to worry about anything. And consider that the most profitable and successful affiliate marketers would make even more money in a reseller program. Don't believe me? Do that math. If a product sells for $50 in an affiliate program and offers you 75% commission, which is about the highest commission there is, you earn $37.50 per sale. You're a successful marketer, you know what you're doing, and all the right buttons to push. You get 30 sales per month credited to you, that's one per day. As an affiliate marketer, you earned $1,125 for the month. Not bad. Now let's turn it around. Let's say the same product is offered in a reseller program. Let's say the same product is offered in a reseller opportunity for a license cost of $250 per month. Sound like a lot? Do the math. If you charged $50 for the product and still made 30 sales that month, guess what your net profit is? $1,250. You just made more money. But the fun doesn't stop there. The reseller program lets you change the price. So, to get a jump on the competition, let's say you lowered your price to $40 and got 10 more sales. Your new profit? $1,350. Since you control the marketing and sales page, you can tweak your campaigns, landing pages, sales messages, direct messaging, etc. To increase your conversion. Any pro knows this is all vital to success. And you can't get any of that with an affiliate program. The truth is, affiliate programs are great for some people. They're great for starters. But if you're really serious about making serious money, reseller programs are the way to go. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about the 5 death traps of affiliate marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.